Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with PR for Anyone. And today I want to talk to you about effective public relations and marketing during this coronavirus outbreak. We are in unprecedented times. It's astounding to me the difference 1 week made in our lives. Just the change. My kids came home for spring break and flew away, and by the time they came back, they had no college to go back to. The whole world had changed, no sports, but we have to adjust as business owners. This is not doom and gloom. I will tell you that the minute I saw this starting to happen, I literally picked up the phone and started hiring people who could help me get where I needed to go faster than I was doing before. The majority of my business comes from speaking engagements. Maybe you all have seen me speak on stages. That is gone for the unforeseeable future. We don't know when conferences, trade shows, events are going to start again. They will start again, and I'm super excited. But now I've had to shift and switch to more virtual and doing more video and more training and more corporate online training versus speaking. So I want you to think about what is your business model and how can you adjust. Please do not just crawl into a shell and think, oh, I can't spend any money right now. I can't do anything for my business. This too shall pass. And the people who get through this will be the ones who benefit at the end. Don't raise your prices. Don't gouge people. I'm not saying anything like this, but we have a duty for what we do. All of us are experts. You are an expert at something. I am an expert at sharing messaging and creating stories and getting a message out there. And we now have a message to share with our followers and our customers and our clients about what we do. There's a reason they hired us originally, and now it's up to us to provide information about how our business or their business is going to be impacted by this coronavirus, and what it's doing to the economy and what can they do to adjust what they're doing. Be a beacon of light. Be a leader in your industry. Be that person that's pushing out constant messaging to help people. And that's what I want you to think about. If you are in an industry that can help people, that you have knowledge that can help people get through this. Maybe you're a sales expert and you know ways that even though your salespeople can't be knocking on doors, you've got techniques that can help them still stay in business, still sell their products. Share that message with the world. I've had a lot of my clients get in the media quickly because they had value to provide. One of my clients owns an HR firm, and he talked about, a lot of companies don't have work at home policies. How can you do it quickly? What do you need to have in those policies? He wasn't charging people for that. He just put that out there and pitched it to the media, and was actually picked up by the US Chamber of Commerce, which is the perfect place to get to all these small businesses. So they had a resource to say, oh my gosh, now at least we know what to put together. So that's how you have to shift right now with your marketing and your PR. What's the value you can provide to these people, to these audiences in your expertise, and continue to do that. Continue to provide value. Email your list if you have one. Post on social media. Create videos. Help people feel more at ease. We're all scared. We're all nervous, but we can't shut down. This will go away and our businesses will thrive. So I want you to do effective marketing, do effective PR, do it in a way that will help people during this crisis. Use your expertise, use everything you know, and share it with the world. So I wish you the greatest PR success, and I wish you health. And I hope that we are all over this very soon, and all of our businesses are just going to take off and thrive. So take care, and here's to your PR success.